Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 3. AWS Big Data Collection. Services. Lesson 3 of the Big Data on AWS Certification. Course focuses on AWS services for collecting and ingesting data into your big data solutions. Here's an overview of what you can expect to learn in this lesson. 1. Data collection overview, an introduction to data collection concepts and the importance of collecting data from various sources for analysis. 2. Amazon Kinesis, an in-depth look at Amazon Kinesis, a platform for collecting, processing, and analyzing streaming data in real time. You'll learn about Kinesis data streams, Kinesis Data Firehouse, and Kinesis Data Analytics. 3. AWS IoT Services, an overview of AWS IoT services, including AWS IoT Core, AWS IoT Greengrass, and AWS IoT Analytics, for collecting and analyzing data from Internet of Things, IoT devices. 4. AWS Database Migration Service, DMS. An introduction to AWS DMS, a service for migrating databases to AWS and continuously replicating data changes. 5. AWS Snowball and Snowmobile. An overview of AWS Snowball and Snowmobile, which are services for transferring large amounts of data to and from AWS using physical devices. 6. Data collection best practices. Best practices for collecting and ingesting data into your big data solutions, including data validation, error handling, and data security. 7. Case studies, real-world case studies of organizations using AWS services for data collection, highlighting the benefits and challenges they faced. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid understanding of AWS services for collecting and ingesting data into your big data solutions. You will be prepared to move on to the next lesson, which covers data storage options on AWS.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.